Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to read a product testing report and what makes this critical for product teams. Use the action bar to toggle between views, insights, summaries, and detailed transcripts, moving fluidly between high-level findings and granular respondent feedback. Apply demographic and stage-based filters to the data, analyzing how creative performance varies across age, gender, income, and consumer stage, revealing which audiences respond strongest. Now here's the secret sauce. Every report is powered by a massive quantitative sample, anywhere from 6,000 to 15,000 AI mini-twins. It's like having a stadium full of your target audience, available for questioning at any time. To keep things reliable, we look at the total weight. A score of 100% means your dataset is perfectly balanced. No single group is overshadowing the others, giving you a true representative view. You'll also see the total number of questions analyzed. Depending on your study, this could be a quick pulse check or a deep dive feature matrix. We also track the MOE, or margin of error. Simply put, the lower this number, the higher your confidence should be in these results. Next is the DEF score, or design effect. If this is close to 1.0, you're looking at a sample that's as close to perfectly random as it gets. High data integrity is the goal here. Want to get even more granular? You can filter the responses for every single question, allowing you to slice the data exactly how you need it. If you prefer to do your own independent modeling, the download button lets you export the entire survey dataset. It's clean, structured, and ready for any external analysis tool. Transparency is key. Use the See Trace button to look under the hood. It shows you the exact qualitative signals that inform the report's output. When you click Trace, a side panel pops open with every citation. It's the receipts for your data, linking every finding to its verifiable source. Now for the fun part, comparing messages. We rank your concepts side by side on AppPeel to see which value propositions grab attention first. But appeal isn't everything. We also measure believability. Because even a great idea won't sell if your audience finds it hard to trust. Next, we look at uniqueness. This maps out your white space, showing how well your concept stands out against the sea of alternatives. This is the big one, purchase intent. It's our predictive score for customer adoption, helping you forecast conversion volume before you ever hit launch. Prioritizing your roadmap is easier when you see this. We rank your features by preference so you know exactly which components your audience values most. We then aggregate those findings into a clear winner variance table, making it easy to compare overall concept performance at a glance. And for your stakeholder decks, we visualize those rankings in an interactive chart. It's a fast, visual way to communicate the winning framework to your team. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.